Houston, we have a problem.
And this is the problem here. This T-Mobile Revel 5 stuck in this mode where it keeps scrolling through which boot mode you want to choose to start the device. So I'm immediately thinking that is some one of the buttons stuck, because that is how you enter into the boot menu. To get into the boot menu, you have to hold a specific key combination while the phone is turning on. This problem could stem from a shorted component on the board or maybe something stuck on the power button flex cable. Now either one we could tackle, but today let's take it a little bit light. Let's hope it's the flex cable only. I got this from another shop and it came without the back piece. Now it's not that the other shop refused the job, it's just that the customer needed the phone in a timely manner and parts were not readily available. All things considered, we are thankful to be able to showcase another one being saved. So with a simple test, the contacts for the flex cable was removed from the board and we could see the phone going through the normal startup process. We are still going to check the contacts on the logic board with the multimeter just to rule them out. So with the board safely ruled out, we move on to the flex cable. So even though the flex cable checked out fine, it was the easier of the two to go further on because it was inconsistent. And I had a hunch that the flex cable would be the issue because your buttons go through wear and tear from daily use. So let's go under the microscope for a better view of the inside of this button.
Okay, I think I got this one.
And here we can see some corrosion inside of the button. Now I'm pretty sure that this is the cause of the issue, so let's give it a quick clean, reassemble and test. So we can see here that the phone is going through a normal startup procedure. A quick test of the volume buttons and we could call this a win. All in a day's work. So you mean to say I had to stop editing my video to come and eat doubles?
Don't eat it now. Why you don't eat it? I find you shouldn't eat it. I eat it and I'm sure it tastes good.